Do you have an air conditioning unit that's more than 10 years old? The physical lifespan of air conditioning equipment can often be longer than its economic life. They can last up to 15 years if they've been well maintained. If you need advice on repairs or replacement, call the pros, the Air Repair Pros, right now because we can help you with any HVAC questions that you might have. When weighing the costs and benefits of repairing or replacing old equipment, keep in mind that monthly savings continue after you reach the break-even or payback period of new equipment. New equipment generally has a much higher efficiency rating, as well as a manufacturer's warranty. However, if you choose to replace only a part of the system and not all of the equipment, you may not be entitled to the same rebates, tax credits, or other financial incentives that you would otherwise be entitled to. Due to the rising energy and labor costs, as well as environmental concerns, replacing marginal systems often makes sense. Here are some scenarios where you might choose to repair instead of replace an aging air conditioning system. Number 1, the home is near the end of its structural or economic life and may be removed in the near future, thus negating further savings from an HVAC system. Number 2, the home itself is not energy efficient and requires structural repair before you can justify installing new high-efficiency HVAC equipment. And number 3, you're planning to move from the home soon, and you believe that the next owner will make sufficient structural changes and they'll be able to write off the value of their new HVAC installation. We hope that this video has helped you to make a better decision and provide you with some peace of mind. If you'd like to schedule a consultation for your home or have any questions, call the pros, the Air Repair Pros. You'll be really glad that you did, I promise.